Great day, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Write Together. For those who are new here, what I am essentially doing as your journaling coach, I am going to offer you a journaling prompt. We will write together for 7 minutes, and then we'll see each other later. It's really quite that simple, you all. I just wanted to make sure that you had a space where you knew that you would get the emotional support that you need. And as always, if you all want additional support, or maybe you do want more curated or themed journaling prompts, that is not a worry at all. You can either email me down below, or there's also a link that leads to my scheduler where you can book a one-on-one private journaling session. So those are 45 minutes in length. And during that time, we just explore some of the things that you want to work on, that you want to talk about. We'll actually journal and write together, and we'll go from there. Okie dokie. So our prompt for today: write about a time when you had to rebuild or reinvent yourself. What did you discover in the process? So I'll repeat it one more time. Write about a time when you had to rebuild or reinvent yourself. What did you discover in the process? So I'm going to set the timer. We're going to write together for 7 minutes, and let's just see what we discover. You can start writing. right, you all know that sound. That is our time for today. I hope that this time of us writing brought you a step closer to your own freedom and allow for you to know that it's completely fine for you to simply be. I'll write with y'all later. Bye.